Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Parrot Security OS. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Parrot Security OS, that is Firefox. Now go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Now click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Now click on download for Linux. Now select the location to save this file, and it is zip file. So I am going to download. So select save. See, download started and its size is about 143 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Also open terminal. See, download completed. Go to terminal. cd downloads ls. See, here we have the zip file. We have to unzip it. tar-exf, then tar. Then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. See, extraction completed. ls. See, here we have the Tor Browser folder. Go to it. cd tar browser. See, we have the start Tor Browser.desktop file. We have to execute. Don't run with sudo user. Just use /start. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Wait a moment, Tor Browser will be opened. See, you got the Tor Browser. Click on connect. Now see here, connect to Tor. Click on connect, or if you want always connect automatically when you open the Tor Browser, you have to turn on this one. Then click on connect. See, you have successfully connected to Tor network, and see here the default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, now verify the version. Go to these horizontal bars. Then help, then see here about Tor Browser. See, we have installed Tor Browser. The version is 15.0 and it is based on Mozilla Firefox 140. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Parrot Security OS operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.